Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I am so thrilled you're tuning in because we are tackling a massive, incredibly common pain point for nearly every organization out there. Today, we're looking at how to take back control of your document workflows and, more importantly, how to completely eliminate those frustrating recurring signature fees. We are diving deep into DocuSeal. It's an open source challenger that brings legally binding document signing right to your business at absolutely zero licensing cost. Whether you're in HR, onboarding new hires, in sales, closing deals, or just managing daily vendor agreements, if you're tired of paying a premium just to get a piece of paper signed, you are in the exact right place. So, here's our roadmap for today. First up, the e-signature trap. Then we'll meet DocuSeal, followed by a head-to-head of DocuSeal versus DocuSign. After that, we'll look at a real-world success story, and finally wrap up with migration and limitations. Let's get right into it. Part 1. The e-signature trap. All right, let's kick things off with a universal business truth. Eventually, every single business needs contracts, agreements, or forms signed electronically. It's just unavoidable in today's professional landscape. But solving this seemingly basic need often leads businesses straight into a trap. I want you to ask yourself right now, why are you paying for every single signature? The dominant commercial e-signature platforms out there charge ongoing per document or per user monthly fees. And for businesses regularly sending out documents, these creeping, hidden costs add up insanely fast. Think about it. Maybe you have a sudden hiring surge. Boom, dozens of onboarding packets. Or perhaps you rely on temporary contractors who need constant non-disclosure agreements. Suddenly, you're literally paying a toll every single time you want to finalize a standard business agreement. This is a deeply frustrating dilemma that small and medium enterprises face every single day. On one hand, you've got the classic clunky printer and paper route. Sure, you could avoid the fees by using manual print and scan methods, but let's be honest, that's archaic. It brings your workflow to a grinding halt, and it's highly inconvenient for your clients who just want to tap sign on their smartphones. On the other hand, you have paid cloud tools, but choosing that route means falling right into that expensive trap of reoccurring fees. And crucially, it forces you to hand over highly sensitive legal documents to a third-party vendor servers. You basically give up complete infrastructure control over your most private agreements, relying entirely on a vendor's paywall to protect your data. Part 2. Meet DocuSeal. Okay, so here's the ultimate release valve to this entire problem. Enter DocuSeal. This platform was built explicitly to give SMEs that exact same legally binding e-signature capability, but entirely free and self-hostable. The real secret sauce here is its AGPL open source license. This specific software license is what empowers DocuSeal to offer a fully capable e-signature platform at zero licensing cost. What this means for you is that you get to keep your sensitive contracts and legal documents entirely under your own infrastructure control. I seriously cannot overstate how massive a win this is for data sovereignty. Think about your most sensitive trade secrets, your strict client privacy agreements, or your specialized compliance requirements. With a self-hosted solution, those private agreements never have to sit on someone else's servers. They stay fully within your own secure environment. But make no mistake, going open source definitely does not mean compromising on features. This isn't just some cheap knockoff, it is a remarkably capable tool. Imagine the lifecycle of a document here. First, you use their intuitive visual document editor. You just upload your PDF and easily drag and drop signature fields, initials, and date boxes exactly where you need them. Next, you can set up a multi-party workflow. This means you can dictate that a document automatically routes from your client over to your legal team and finally to your CEO in a perfectly defined sequence. Behind the scenes, it generates crucial signature verification and comprehensive audit trails, giving you the exact documentation you need for rock-solid legal validity. Plus, you can create reusable templates for those standard contracts to save massive amounts of time. And hey, if you have a dev team, there's full API access, meaning you can seamlessly embed this exact signing functionality directly into your own custom business apps. Part 3. DocuSeal versus DocuSign. Because features are great, but the numbers usually tell the real story. Let's look at a direct, head-to-head financial showdown with the industry giant. Notice the stark financial contrast for just a 5-person team. With DocuSign's business pricing, you're typically looking at anywhere from $25 to $65 per user per month. That means an estimated monthly cost of roughly $125 to $325. Over a year, that approaches $4,000 just for signatures. Now, compare that to a self-hosted DocuSeal setup. Because there's zero licensing cost, your only ongoing expense is the modest server infrastructure to actually run it. In most cases, this typically costs just $15 to $25 a month. And that's whether you have 5 users or 50, sending 10 documents a month or 10,000. So the crucial point is that for a standard SME, making this switch represents well over $1,000 in immediate annual savings. And remember the beauty of open source pricing. Because DocuSeal doesn't arbitrarily scale its cost per user or per document, that massive savings gap only gets wider as your business grows and your document volume scales up. Now, to be completely objective, let's break down the trade-offs fairly. DocuSign certainly comes with a high cost, but it is fully managed. That means zero server setup or maintenance for your IT team, and it absolutely maintains a definitive edge when it comes to deep enterprise integrations and broader market recognition. DocuSeal, on the flip side, offers zero licensing cost, complete self-hosted control over your sensitive data, and robust API access. So, for SMEs whose core need is simply straightforward, legally binding document signing without complex enterprise integrations, DocuSeal clearly delivers exceptional, undeniable value.
Part 4. A real-world success story.
To truly bring this to life, imagine a small consulting firm that was previously paying top dollar for DocuSign, primarily just to collect signatures on their standard client engagement agreements. Here's the exact workflow they used to make the jump. First, they deployed their own self-hosted DocuSeal infrastructure, totally securing their environment. Second, they took those standard, repetitive client agreements and saved them as reusable templates right within the platform. That step alone saved their administrative team hours every single week by eliminating redundant setup tasks. Finally, they utilized multi-party signing workflows. This allowed them to send out agreements requiring both the client signature and the firm's authorized signatory in a seamless, automated sequence. The end result? They completely eliminated a hefty recurrent subscription cost while ensuring their highly sensitive client contracts remained entirely on-premise.
Part 5. Migration and limitations.
Before you make the leap yourself, it is absolutely vital we take an honest look at the limitations and the migration steps to set you up for success. We want to make sure this tool actually fits your specific operational reality. Let's proactively address the elephant in the room right away. Are these signatures legally binding? The short answer is, generally, yes. DocuSeal follows standard electronic signature practices, complete with digital verification and detailed, unalterable audit trails. However, the legal validity of electronic signatures does vary by jurisdiction and industry. You should absolutely confirm that DocuSeal's signing process meets the specific regional and regulatory legal requirements for your area before relying on it for high-stakes agreements. There are also a few important limitations to keep in mind. Because DocuSeal is a newer, leaner platform compared to the industry giants, its third-party, out-of-the-box integration ecosystem is considerably less extensive. Also, while there is a cloud option available, if you choose the self-hosted route to maximize data control and cost savings, it does require familiarity with Docker. Docker is essentially a standard IT tool used to easily deploy and manage software packages in containers. It's common, but it does raise the technical bar compared to simply logging into a fully managed web service. Lastly, some very specific enterprise compliance certifications required by large regulated businesses might be more established with a platform that has a much longer market history. But hey, if those limitations aren't deal breakers for your workflow, you'll be thrilled to hear that migrating is remarkably straightforward. First, you just sit down and recreate your most commonly used document templates directly in DocuSeal. Second, you don't even need to worry about a massive data migration of your old files. Your historical signed documents can simply remain safely accessible through your existing DocuSign account for future reference. Because it's that simple, most small businesses find they can complete a full transition in just 1 to 3 weeks. And in the world of enterprise software migration, a 1 to 3 week turnaround is literally a massive operational win. All right, I want to leave you with this final thought. You truly have the power to regain control of your contracts and stop paying a premium for every single signature. DocuSeal proves that you can have core signing functionality, complete infrastructure control, and zero licensing costs all wrapped into one genuinely open source package. So the question is your business finally ready to embrace open source freedom and eliminate those frustrating signature fees once and for all?